Hi, welcome to the Parc Olympique Lyonnais. Here is the home ground of the best French football club, the Olympique Lyonnais.
The stadium opened in January 2016. The whole stadium is 54,000 square meters sized and has a sitting capacity of 60,000. In addition to a vast playground, the stadium itself also includes a large sports store, restaurants, meeting rooms, offices, conference halls, and so on. In many places in the stadium, Samsung air conditioning systems have been installed, so great satisfaction is being provided to the fans, athletes, and operators.
Let's take a stadium tour and hear the special stories.
We are at the heart of Lyon, the Parc Olympique Lyonnais. Samsung's DVM water geosystem utilizes a geothermal source from 10 meters below the ground. We are very proud to announce a partnership with Samsung as they have provided the best solution for our stadium, it being one of the best VRF systems in the world.
The benefit of the geothermal energy is that it is a renewable source with constant temperature all year round. Samsung DVMS Water Geo uses this energy to provide a heating and cooling system both eco-friendly and high energy efficient.
On huge projects such as this stadium, it's normal to expect large outdoor units. However, with Samsung's DVM, it is very space efficient due to its compact size.
Compared to the chiller, which requires large space and huge cranes for the installation of a cooling tower and boiler, DVMS Water Geo is very small, so it can be easily installed in dead spaces, for example under the stairways.
Well, the locker room is a very important place for the players. Many athletes come here and share this place, so the air can become extremely humid. But this locker room stays fresh and clean.
The Parc Olympique Lyonnais has been a great host to many great sports events, as well as other events such as corporate seminars. We have 105 VIP private boxes and 6 reception halls, which can cater and provide the best possible experience for any type of event held here. With Samsung's simultaneous cooling and heating operation, everyone can benefit from anywhere in the stadium. As a president of Olympique Lyonnais, my main objective is the complete satisfaction of both the fans and players. Our partner, Samsung, has been able to provide the best technological solution for this state-of-the-art stadium. This stadium has been a great success.
So as you can see, Samsung air conditioning systems have contributed to emphasize the passion and fame of the Olympique Lyonnais. Samsung Electronics will continue to provide the most optimal solutions just right for each partner's needs.
Samsung System Air Conditioner.